Welcome to Rani's Art and Craft, and in today's video we'll show that how can you make crown. So first take any color sheet and cut it out. It means like cut out strips. Okay, how many strips should shoot in your head? That much you have, because you have to cut out strips and then stick the strips together to make like a circle type thing which can fit into your head. Okay, I'm showing you also, guys. And guys, I don't have color paper, so I thought of cutting the strips from a white paper only, and then I will color it. Okay, I will color it red. Okay, if you have color paper also, no problem. Otherwise, you can check out my homemade color paper video. The link is in the description. Also, homemade glue and homemade scissors link is in the description box. You can also check out my playlist of school and craft supplies. There I have made a lot of craft and school supplies. You can check them out also. In that also my school like my craft paper and all are there. Okay, you can check it. And guys, I have made another video on homemade crown also. You can check it out. You can check my hair accessories playlist also if you haven't. And guys, after 1000 subscribers by October 2021, I will be doing my festival video. And guys, now it is September and October is the next month. Okay, but guys, till now I haven't got 900. Then how will I get 1000? Because if I get 1000, it will be happy for me also and for you guys also. I will be doing a festival, but I want it by October 2021. So will I get 1000 subscribers October 2021? Because if I don't get, then I can't make a festival video. So I want 1000 subscribers by October 2021. You can see I've colored it also, and I'm wearing it my head also. It's looking nice, guys. So guys, please, I'm having 1 2 subscribers now, so please try to subscribe from your other accounts also. So thanks for watching. Thanks for your support. Please keep supporting. So thanks for watching. Bye. If you haven't seen these videos, why? I think you haven't checked out my channel, but no problem, you can check them now. These 2 videos, go check now. Bye.